It is my pleasure this year to officially launch Local Government Month 2019.
How do we build resilient communities? The community is in the person, the people.
To our Honorable Desmond Mackenzie, Minister of Local Government and Community Development, we thank you for supporting the youth participation in the decision-making process where a political platform is concerned.
We are a coastal country. All our important organizations sit next to the ocean. Our parliament, our bank, our courts, our two major international airports, our oil refinery, you name it. Only the parishes of Manchester, Clarendon, St. Catherine, the parishes are a distance away from the coast. We therefore have to take disaster seriously. Next year, Jamaica will be hosting the 7th Regional Platform on Disaster Risk Reduction in Montego Bay. Jamaica will be the first country outside of the great Latin America and the Americas to host such a conference of that magnitude. We are expecting delegations from over 40 countries. We intend also to use Local Government Month going right through until January to have an extensive educational program to sensitize the country about disaster preparedness and what our responsibility as citizens will be to that task.
So we are happy for this summer theme, building resilient communities through local governance, because as you know, we work with community groups and we want them to become more empowered as it relates to how they can, in their space, ensure that whatever they are doing, whether it be planting products or they're building, constructing, that they are doing so to safeguard against any disasters which might happen at any time. So it is a very important link to the LSP.
I also use stuff like aluminum zinc that I use to make my pieces, like this one here. So this is a set with a combination of sea glass and also aluminum, and I hand painted as well, all cut and filed by me, the aluminum, and then I just did my designs on them perfectly for anybody to wear.
For your love, and I'm thankful that you came and died for me. Yes, I'm grateful for your grace.
And in first place, the award goes to the Riverton Meadow CDC.
We cater for community development where we have homework center, we have a reading lab, we have a family center, we have school, we have other outreach programs. We operate health centers, health fair, and all kinds of activities in order to empower the citizens.
Gordon Town CDC, the home of the Pineapple Festival.
I really thank them for their hard work, because it is through their initiative that we have developed our space, and we really thank them for recognizing the hard work that the community members have put in.
Today we are here to work with our residents, the construction of the administrative building, which is presently underway. We are expecting that by the end of February next year, going into March, I will come back here to officially open the new administrative office for this infirmary.
This year's theme, Building Resilient Communities Through Local Governance, is quite fitting.
Part of building resilient communities involves good solid waste management practices, and what we're doing here today, we're teaching people about reduce, reuse, recycle, the 3 R's of solid waste management, and we're also teaching them about composting.
It's very important for communities to understand that disaster resilience is critical to their well-being. If it is that communities don't play their own part, which SCC try to sensitize the communities around that, then certainly we will always have the matter of dealing with disasters. So I think it is very important that communities get involved in the process.
It doesn't really start at the community, it starts with self. Everybody has the responsibility to do what they can to ensure that the environment is kept in the way it should be.